Hey YouTube, it's Alana, aka Krista Kisses, and yes, I am back with another freaking video.
Hey, what you watching?
As you guys can see by the title of this video, like, yo, like, I am fucking excited right now. Like, I am seriously, like, excited. Like, I'm, like, trying to fucking turn up, bitch. Like, yo, like, I know y'all see that motherfucking title, and that is what it is, y'all. Like, your girl finally, after all of that hard work and them nights of crying, bitch, I finally had got my own place, and I'm actually about to, well, I got a house, and it's just me. It's gonna be me, and I have a dog now that you guys are going to see. Her name's Euphoria. For those who have me on Instagram and on social media, y'all already know that I got my pit bull, Euphoria, and I'm like in love with her. Like, she's literally like my best friend type shit. So I know y'all are probably seeing me like drive. So right now, oh guys, I'm just all over the place. Like, yo, I am very excited, bitch. Like, y'all, look. So I got my own house. It's just gonna be me and my dog, Euphoria, because I'm not doing no roommates. Like, fuck that. But yeah, it's just gonna be me and her. So today's Friday. What's today's day? What the fuck is today's day? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm over here like all over the place. It is April 29th, Friday, 2022. Your girl is 20, and I'm about to cop the keys for my spot. Like, period. I mean, well, I gotta first do some errands, and then I'm gonna go. Sorry if the camera is shaking. I'm driving. I wish it wasn't doing that. This shit got me mad as fuck, low-key. But yeah, y'all, like, this is so lit. Like, y'all do not know how bad I wanted this shit. Like, because at first I was like, you know what, fuck it, I'ma just get some roommates or like rent a room, like da-da-da. But nah, y'all, like, I made sure, I was like, bro, I'm finna just work hard and just get that shit type shit. Damn, that loud ass dog. Right now, I am heading to the bank. I need to get some more money, okay? Because I already did all that extra. I had to put down a security deposit, pay for the application fee. Then now I got to put down another fee because, you know, this month is about to end. It's April 29th. We about to enter May, which is crazy because time really be flying. But yeah, I'm about to head to the bank, get some more money so I can pay that first month's rent along with some other fees. Because, you know, listen, when you got a dog, it's some extra money. So yeah, I got to do that. I'm gonna stop for some gas, and then I'm going to head over there because the place closes at 4, but I have enough time. And then I also wanted to stop by my house, but I'm not gonna show you guys my house yet because I'm gonna show y'all once I move in, because I'm moving there. What's today? Today's Friday, so I'm gonna move in like Sunday basically, or Saturday, maybe tomorrow. It all depends on me because, like, y'all, I work every day. So I'm just kind of like, you know, I'm tired. So it's like, and it's just really just me like trying to move it. Well, me and my friend to move my stuff because I have to move it from my spot to there and all this extra shit. And I'm trying to decide if I should get like a U-Haul and stuff. So yeah, it's just a lot. Like, y'all, it's just, yo, with moving, it's really like stressful and trying to get everything together. And then you got to look at your money and stuff. But yeah, y'all, I'm sorry I'm all over the place right now, but it's like, yo, my mind is like racing. So I'm like, okay, I got this, and then on top of that, I still got my other bills that I have to pay, you know? So it's just, it's a lot. Yeah, y'all, other than that, I am like so fucking excited. Like, y'all do not know how turned and excited I am because, yo, it's like really manifestation and hard work and like being determined and self-discipline. It's just a lot. Right now I'm about to, damn, that car is nice. Damn, that car nice. Yeah, he saw me looking at his car. He was just like, yeah, I got that shit. So guys, I'm here. at the place. And y'all, my makeup looks crazy because I was crying just now. Like, it was really tears of happiness. Like, there's more I'm gonna tell y'all, but I'm at the building to get the keys. So let me just, and I was eating some chicken nuggets, like, because I was so hungry. I did not eat all day today, but y'all, let me go inside. I'm gonna pick up the key and I'm gonna let it sink in. Cause y'all, I had like a lot of demons on me just now, and my friend had to like talk to me and calm me down because I was having like the worst anxiety and like a regret. I was like, dang, like, what if I can handle this, da 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 da, or, you know, so they had to like calm me down. It was like, no, like, Alana, you got this. Like, we're gonna talk more about it, of what I thought. So let's just go. Let's go get the key first. Let me talk.
Yes.
Thank you. So guys, I am here. I'm at the crib. So yeah, I am here at the crib. Yeah, y'all, I look crazy because my makeup, but yo, let me give y'all a little tour. Okay, so this is the front door. So this is like the front door of the house. And then you go, and this is the living room, the master room. Got the fan. And then this is the kitchen. Don't mind my orange juice. Got the stove. Got a dishwasher. I know y'all are wondering where the fridge is. The fridge is actually in the garage. I think the people who were living here before me, let me show you the garage. I think the people that was living here before me, they had another fridge and I think they took it, but this is the fridge. So yeah, this is it, the garage. This is just the closet with the not important shit. And then here's our hallway. So this is like the first closet, with a shelf, put some like random stuff in there. And then here's our first bedroom, because I got a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. And then here's like a closet. Oh shit, I didn't even know there was 2 closets. Oh, all right, more space. Here's the first bedroom. Then right across from us is the bathroom. Now your girl really like the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? That's me. And then, you know, the toilet. But yeah, I really like how they designed, because they had the whole house like redesigned and stuff and retouched up, so I fuck with it. Here is another bedroom. So then we got like an outlet, we got the windows. I need to get like some curtains and stuff because it's just too much. And then here's our other closet. This one's bigger than the other one. Here is another closet. And then now we're on to the master bedroom, which is gonna be my bedroom, of course. And then here's my closet. And then here's the bathroom. And then here's me again. I'm really like yo, like before I got on camera, I was like really like breaking down, like crying. Like, I just thought this was like a beautiful moment. Like just, it was just lit, you know? But yeah, it's so pretty. Hold on, I wanna show you the outside. I'm gonna show y'all the outside. So here it is on the outside. But yeah, y'all, this is like really like a, this is really like a sensitive moment for me, because it's just, okay, you guys kind of missed like the emotional part, but I'm really happy. Like, I really did this. Like, I wanted to just skip the whole part of just having an apartment. I said, no, I want a house. Like, I want a house, I want a big house. And no, I'm not having any roommates or none of that. It's just gonna be me and my dog. euphoria, which you guys are going to see when we like move in, because I got the key and paperwork for it today. This is really like crazy because like this year has been one of the best years, and I really just thank God for making the impossible possible, because I really was down bad, y'all. Like, I'm really a private, quiet person, but I love spreading like positivity and, you know, on my channel. So I don't really like, cause look, when you really go through a lot, it's like, it's hard to explain, y'all. It's just when you've been through so much, it's like you want so much for yourself. Like, you know, you just want to just be happy. I don't know if that makes sense, but I don't know. This is just so crazy. Like, I'm just sitting here like, wow, like I'm sitting in my own house just listening to myself. Like, y'all do not know how much I need this, because look, where I was staying in a hotel, living by myself. Sometimes I wouldn't eat just to pay the rent and all that stuff. And then there was like times where I wasn't even making, like, y'all, like I'm telling you, I've been through so much. Like, I was living in hotels, freaking struggling, having to pay every single day. There's actually a lot of reasons why I started stripping, so that way I can just be able to get everything I always wanted and then just get it and keep it going. Because now that I got my house so quick, I'm like, wow, like, I know what I want to do now. Like, now I'm like, okay, bet, I got that. Now I need to freaking, now I need to get my, I want to start going to school and da-da-da. It's just certain things, you know? I don't know, y'all. I'm all over the place because I'm like really I'm really not trying to cry right now because, yo, like, I don't want to cry on camera, but it's like, this is really like, this is it. Like, this actually happened. Like, I actually got this shit. Hey guys. Good morning, y'all. It is 11:47 right now. So right now I am currently in the moving process. It is April 30th, 11:47. Right now I am in process of going back home because me and my friend had got a moving van, so they're helping me move. See, like, they're right in front of me, so I'm just following them because we had to go pick up the truck. So we're about to go, and they gave me like a good housewarming gift, and they got me, what did they get me? They got me a bed. It was like actually two mattresses because they had like spare ones, so they're just gonna give me that. And I have another friend that's giving me like a futon. And I'm not gonna lie, like, a lot of people, you know, was looking at shit, so I was like, oh, this is so sweet. Like, I feel like it's my birthday. And later I was gonna go to IKEA to get some more stuff. But yeah, right now we're currently heading back to the house. We're gonna start loading up the van and bringing it to my house, my new crib. So yeah, y'all, keep in mind today's Saturday, so you know, I gotta work and make some more money because yo girl went broke trying to get this spot and trying to still maintain paying the bills and everything else. So yeah, I'm just trying to hurry up and just get this stuff done. But I just want to let you guys know what's going on. So yeah, there goes Euphoria. But here goes the beds. It's two of them. I think it's two twins. And then here's some boxes because I still gotta like move some of my stuff. But we got the van. So we're about to just load that in. Ain't nothing too crazy. All right, y'all, so I am currently in the van, well, in the passenger seat. My friend is driving. So right now we got, it turns out they had more stuff. They had like some couches, they had the two mattresses, they had some old chairs that they don't want, and they're nice. So I'm just gonna like take a table, and then I should be going like shopping and stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be the first trip because I still got some stuff like at my old house. And yeah, so since I already have this truck, I'm gonna just take advantage and just use it to bring it. So I think we have to make a total of 3 trips. So yeah, we're about to head to my house now. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Unpacking. Good afternoon, guys. Okay, I know y'all are like confused again because y'all see me in the car and you see a lot of shit in my car. This is it day 3? Basically day 3. I'm in process of moving my actual like clothes and like other stuff, like because yesterday was mainly like furniture. So now I have like my groceries, a lot of extra stuff, right? So yeah, so right now I'm about to head to the house and start unloading the car. Then I have to come back to grab my dog and a few other things. And then yeah, so I'll just meet you guys back at the house or when I'm done. Be right back. All right, y'all, so we just got to the house. Okay, Euphoria. Euphoria. Euphoria? Euphoria. She's like, what, bitch? She looks excited to get out the car, so we're about to go in the house. I just want to see how she acts, y'all. Like, my baby, we gotta be in the house. Okay. Okay, wait, calm down. Come, Euphoria, come on. Come on, let's go. No, this way. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We have reached the freaking end of this video, thank God. So I know y'all probably like, dang, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, look, it's been like 2 months now. And I'm not gonna lie, I literally procrastinated the hell out of this video. Like, I was not sure if I wanted to even show you guys the house because I'm more in my head a lot. Euphoria. I'm always in my damn head about shit, but you know, I was like, you know what? Nah, I really wanted to show you guys, you know, my progress and everything. So yeah, because look, whole different hairstyle. Euphoria got a new thing. I still don't have curtains up yet. I actually do have curtains, like I bought some and like a rod and stuff. I just don't know how to set it up, so you know, hit me up, you know what I'm saying? No, it's only been a month. I'm tripping. It hasn't been 2 months yet. It's only been a month in this house. I'm damn, that you see, time really be flying. I really thought it's been a minute. It's June 20th. It's the 20th. So yeah, it's basically about to be 2 months of me being here, but still just a month and a half. So yeah, you know, time really flies, and you know, I'm really thankful for God, of course. But yeah, if you guys made it to this part of the video, then thank you so much for the support and you know, watching and tuning in. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, like button, and comment down below. And without further ado, give me a Kristaa kiss. You know what I'm saying? Give me a kiss. So, bye guys.